أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها النبي إذا طلقتم النساء فطلقوهن لعدتهن وأحصوا العدة واتقوا الله ربكم لا تخرجوهن من بيوتهن ولا يخرجن إلا أن يأتين بفاحشة مبينة وتلك حدود الله ومن يتعد حدود الله فقد ظلم نفسه لا تدري لعل الله يحدث بعد ذلك أمرا. O Prophet, if you should divorce your women, then divorce them according to their prescribed waiting period. Take good account of the waiting period and beware of Allah, your Lord. Do not force them to leave their homes, and they should not leave their homes unless they commit a clear act of aggression. Such are the limits set by Allah, and whoever does not respect the limits set by Allah would have been unjust to himself. Besides, you never know, perhaps during that waiting period Allah may cause something new to happen. وَإِذَا بَلَغْنَ أَجَلُهُنَّ فَأَمْسِكُوهُنَّ بِمَعْرُوفٍ أَوْ فَارِقُوهُنَّ بِمَعْرُوفٍ وَأَشْهِدُوا ذَوِي عَدْلٍ مِّنكُمْ وَأَقِيمُوا الشَّهَادَةَ لِلَّهِ ذَلِكُمْ يُوعَظُ بِهِ مَنْ كَانَ يُؤْمِنُ بِاللَّهِ وَالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ وَمَنْ يَتَّقِ اللَّهَ يَجْعَلْ لَهُ مَخْرَجًا. Once they are about to complete their waiting period, you may either keep them with kindness or let them leave in a fair manner, and let two just witnesses from among yourselves testify to what was agreed upon. And do bear your testimony before Allah. Such cautioning admonition is given to one who believes in Allah and in the last day. And whoever is conscious of the divine sovereign Lord, He will give him access to an appropriate solution. وَيَرْزُقْهُ مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَحْتَسِبُ وَمَنْ يَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ فَهُوَ حَسْبُهُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ بَالِغُ أَمْرِهِ قَدْ جَعَلَ اللَّهُ لِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدْرًا. And He will provide him with earnings from sources he does not anticipate. And whoever places his trust in Allah, He will suffice all his needs. In fact, Allah will surely satisfy His purpose, for indeed Allah has made it so that each thing can only be for a decreed time. واللائي يئسن من المحيض من نسائكم إن ارتبتم فعدتهن ثلاثة أشهر واللائي لم يحضن وأولاة الأحمال أجلهن أن يضعن حملهن ومن يتق الله يجعل له من أمره يسرا. Should you not be sure about the waiting period for women who no longer have their menstrual period, then their waiting period should be 3 months, and the same for those who do not have regular menstrual periods. As to pregnant women, their waiting period must be up to the time of childbirth, and whoever is conscious of the divine sovereign Lord, He will make it easy for him to achieve his purpose. ذَلِكَ أَمْرُ اللَّهِ أَنزَلَهُ إِلَيْكُمْ وَمَنْ يَتَّقِ اللَّهَ يُكَفِّرْ عَنْهُ سَيِّئَاتِهِ وَيُعْظِمْ لَهُ أَجْرًا. Such is Allah's commandment. He brought it down to you, and whoever is conscious of the divine sovereign Lord, He will erase his misdeeds and multiply his recompense many folds. O my Allah Pak, O my Lord, please grant us the knowledge and wisdom of your holy book, as well as give us the courage and confidence to apply this wholesome knowledge onto ourselves and pass it on to others. Ameen Ya Rabbul Alameen. Thank you, my Allah Pak. Thank you, my Lord.